Hello, I'm Katalin Csikas. I was greatly introduced by Oliver, thank you. I'm the principal engineer of TechPro Plus, and I'm a civil structural engineer, and I'm also working as an expert technical witness in the past 14 years, mainly around the area of prevention. My area of expertise is around product compliance, risk management, quality assurance, and processes. Today I will be talking about the practical connection between the risk-based thinking of ISO 9001-2015E and maximizing revenue between product compliance and risk management. And I have good news for you. There is a strong connection between compliance to the ISO 9001-2015E and product compliance. And both are grounded in risk-based thinking. Furthermore, compliance to the ISO standards or to product standards could possibly impact your business performance, could provide you good marketplace reputation, and ultimately impact your bottom line. Product compliance and product safety is the responsibility for everyone who actually supplies product for the market or for consumers. Whether you are a manufacturer, import-export business, or you're just supplying product, as soon as you put the product on your shelves, you declare your product complies. It is often a huge shock when companies who genuinely believe that their product complies discover that it's actually not. And the impact of accidental non-compliance can have serious financial and legal consequences and has the potential to damage marketplace reputation. Today, I will be discussing possible ways of accidental non-compliance can occur and how to meet parts of the ISO 9001-2015E by applying methods of effective prevention and risk management. It is like taking one action and causing multiple results. Ongoing product compliance will provide business confidence and peace of mind, enabling companies to focus on running their everyday business. Other benefits could be reduced rework, as Billy mentioned, minimized waste, less stress, and ultimately enhanced business performance and stronger brand identity. While I have a lot of experience in both prevention and non-compliance matters, due to time constraints, I will be focusing on the prevention. And my key message for non-compliance matters is to act early, engage a lawyer and a technical expert as soon as possible, especially if your product already left your premises. In this new era of social media, non-compliance news can travel extremely fast, and it has a lot greater impact than in the past, where news circulation was a lot slower. So, how does accidental non-compliance happen? Often it starts with a compliant product with all the ticks. Then gradually and quite unintentionally, the quality starts slipping. Sometimes companies change parts, either by trying to save money, or because the old supplier is no longer available. From the outside, the part looks exactly the same, so everything carries on as normal. However, a number of small alterations over time at some point could produce a non-compliant product. And the danger is that nobody really realizes it until something happens, and by that time, it's normally too late. Regular quality assurance checks can prevent this from occurring. Accidental non-compliance is like a ticking time bomb, and not addressing it can put your company at risk. So let's take a look at the 4 more likely scenarios of how accidental compliance can happen in the real life and their impact and implications. So So the first one is catching it as the best scenarios, catching it before dispatch. So an internal quality assurance checklist has revealed an issue and the product is stopped from being dispatched. This situation could result in an upset customer, penalties, damaged marketplace reputation, but from all of the possible scenarios, this is the least serious one. So what to do in this case is stop the product leaving your premises, fix the matter, whatever it takes, even if you need to buy a product and supply a product from your competition, or ring up the customer and say, like, I'm sorry, I can't supply this product, and cancel the order. The second likely scenario is catching it before it's installed or used. So if you're lucky, your customer will ring you up if they find something which doesn't look right, and give you an opportunity to do something with it before it gets installed. This scenario could again damage your marketplace reputation, but if you act early and fast and apply one of the previously mentioned solutions, then you could minimize your risk exposure. The third scenario is that your product left your site and it's been installed or being used and it doesn't perform or it doesn't work. Now imagine a discovery of thousands of $10 items which are set in concrete. The project is delayed, penalty is pending, the heat is on you, your customer wants a fix yesterday. What to do? So you might need to dedicate a staff member to deal with the matter. That person cannot do their work. You need to find a solution. You might need to engage an expert. And then you need to supply and pay for the solution. Meanwhile, your reputation could get actually exposed or get damaged. And if you avoid arbitration and the court case in this case, you could consider yourself really lucky. And the fourth scenario is the product is installed or being used, doesn't perform, and it's damaged somebody's property, or the worst, it actually harmed a human being. So it is every company's worst nightmare, and I'm sure I don't need to detail the implications here. Obviously, last thing any manager wants to worry about is the compliance of their standard product offer. Their focus is to get on with business, grow the business, manufacture, sell, innovate, and so on. Ultimately, the aim is to have a long-term compliant product which is produced, sourced in a most economical and reliable way. So let's touch on some of the possible ways to achieve that. So what you do, you follow a documented process. So just like when baking a chocolate cake, you can use a well-proven recipe and document it, or invent your own recipe by trial and error. The main thing is that using this chocolate cake model, you can document the exact process for every key area of your business when you require consistency. This will give you confidence just by simply following the recipe. You will get a compliant product or compliance each time. Then you might consider testing and provide some kind of quality control. You might test and verify various aspects of the process. What to do if you are a distributor or a retailer? You can safeguard your business exactly the same way. You can create processes using the chocolate cake model and follow them. And then a question you might ask yourself, so what do I need to comply to? So you need to comply to the ISO standards if you choose to actually have them. You need to comply to the local AS/NZS standards, government health and safety regulations. You are required to comply with your client's requirements and also with your own specification. It is wise to ensure all your product fulfill all your marketing material and what you say in them. So what to do if you actually find yourself with a non-compliance matter? So speed is of the essence here. It is important that you keep all your documentation and all the correspondence. And as soon as you think that you could be dealing with a non-compliance issue, start documenting, journaling everything, and get hold of a technical expert and a lawyer as soon as you can. I had a recent case where we were able to avoid a product recall just by carrying out some urgent testing. And we redesigned the product, which made the product safer. And as a result of our fast and comprehensive action, my client's reputation remained intact, and now the product is widely sold. The key points to take away from my presentation is prevention is better than cure, and take action as soon as you discover non-compliance and engage a technical expert and a lawyer. Now, TechPro Plus provides a range of services relating to product compliance, risk management, and quality assurance processes from design to manufacture and beyond. And I'm available for individual or case-specific assessment of your business on products. So please help yourself with your business card outside or come and grab me in the break. Thank you very much.